Okay, there we go. We have to make sure we look presentable on the YouTube. There we go. So I don't know how much of you went ahead and took advantage of the Nordstrom sale. Well, I went ahead and ordered some more earrings. So we're not talking about lipstick, okay? We're talking about earrings. I should be like the earring queen, like the lipstick queen. Maybe like a jewelry junkie or earring junkie, but I just love these, okay? And I just love these. They're very lightweight. And it comes with a post, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off and show you what it actually looks like. The front of the earring. There we go. Love, 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 love these. Gotta love them. Post. There we go with the backing. So you can go ahead and take them on and off. So gotta love these. That was the first pair. Gotta love it. So the second pair we have here are actually dangling. These are slightly heavier, but not as much. But yeah, fabulous with gold, turquoise and gold fashion earrings. Love this one. So the next pair that we actually have are these gold ones, and it has a round hoop there at the top. It has a little gemstone dangling there at the bottom. And everybody's getting all excited. They're like, yes, go ahead and do more fashion videos. There we go. Sometimes we get tired of talking about makeup, so let's go ahead and talk about jewelry. Yeah? Let's go ahead and talk about some jewelry. Some fabulous, fabulous, affordable. Gotta be affordable. Earrings. There we go. Gotta love these. Here we go. So I'm just gonna be leaving the Nordstrom site down at the bottom. So for those of you who are like, no, I'm not gonna end up wearing those. I'd rather wear something a little bit more conservative. You can go ahead and pick whatever kind of earring you like. So I'm gonna be doing another one in silver, and I think another one in more like a transparent gemstone, because this girl went ahead and picked up like 30 pairs. So these are going to be the first earring haul from Nordstrom. So gotta love these. Let's go ahead and take them off and jump into these. I think these are kind of long and sexy. Anybody like some sexy earrings? Love these sexy earrings. Okay, dangling, long. There we go. That's what it looks like. Ooh, cute, yeah. There we go. Kind of sexy. Look like they're bang. Love it. Love it. Love it. So let's go put it on. There we go. And again, you can probably dress it up or down, because I think with these gemstone earrings, if you like gold, it's very easy. It's also very lightweight. There we go. Very easy. Travel friendly. I just go ahead and put them in a pouch, and they actually don't get tangled. It came like in a little Ziploc bag and the card that it actually came on. So I love these. It has a little bit of a fringe, and then there's a gemstone right there in the middle. Gotta love them. So yeah, those are the next pairs. So we're whipping through these, putting these on the side. And these might be a little bit bigger. I didn't think I was gonna like them, but then when they came in, put them on, I said, gotta love them, especially with the off-the-shoulder dress that I actually have on today. There we go. Kind of like a large teardrop hoop, and you're able to see the gemstone on both sides. Kind of matches my bracelet, my cabochon bracelet that I have on with gold. There we go. Want to wear that. Kind of coordinate everything together here on my YouTube. So yeah, we're just loving these. These are actually like in a teardrop shape with the gold trim. There we go. These are old fashioned, very affordable, which means you can buy what it wants. I love it. There we go. Ooh, love these. These are so cute. There we go. I think we have one more. So the last ones are these right here, which I think are adorable. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put on the last pair right here. Very easy. I like when I can just put these on, and I'm just like shooting at the dark. So these are fabulous. And you just gotta go ahead and love these. So I think I'm gonna be taking a couple of these on vacation with me. Yeah, these are gorgeous, and I just gotta love them. So I'm going to be leaving the link for the Nordstrom site, darling, down in the description bar below. So if you want to go ahead and look up some beautiful earrings on their site, you're just gonna go crazy. So I hope that everyone is having a great and productive day. This girl gotta go run some errands, so I thought I'd go ahead and since I have to go ahead and put on some makeup, I go ahead and wear my turquoise top right here, put on my cabochon bracelet, and go ahead and show you some of these stunning and fabulous earrings that I actually found on the Nordstrom'S site. So my name is Ranalynn Naipo. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, darling, by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell because that's what's going to keep you abreast of all of the videos that I upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ranalynn Naipo. Aloha. Bye-bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.